Kot politik sem zelo vesel, da so politični odnosi odlični. Tudi iniciativa 16+1 je iniciativa, kjer je Slovenija zelo aktivna. Nedolgo nazaj smo imeli srečanje gozdarske koordinacije, ki jo mi celo vodimo. Avgust bo pa izjemno pomemben dogodek, saj se bo srečalo 17, torej slovenska in 16 drugih političnih in gospodarskih delegacij z področja kmetijstva. Pričakujem od tega tudi veliko poslovno priložnost. Kar se pa tiče gospodarskega sodelovanja, bi pa želel, da podobno, kakor mi včasih Hong Kong razumemo kot vstopno točko na Kitajsko, torej Hong Kong, tam živi samo 7,2 milijona ljudi, na Kitajskem pa milijarda 350, je prav, da tudi naši prijatelji na Kitajskem razumejo Slovenijo kot vstopno točko v Evropsko unijo.
Actually, Hong Kong and Slovenia has been doing a lot better than before because there are increasing trade between Slovenia and Hong Kong. And I would say in the future, it is Hong Kong, which is the platform that can help Slovenian companies to reach out to the Chinese markets, including the customers in China and also in Asia. Most importantly, Hong Kong is the best platform for promoting Slovenian products. We have a large wine show every year in summer for promotion of wines from all over the world. So Slovenian wine with their very good quality should be very good in Hong Kong. And we also have another great expo called the Food Expo, which is to promote food products from all over the world, including from Europe, to the Chinese customers. And this is again a very good opportunity for Slovenian products like Slovenian beef, which is so good to get to the Chinese markets.